Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change a background image in a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. This is my background image. Now I will edit this one or change. Select Organize option. Now select your background option and select your Manage option and select your Edit option as folder option and select an image. I'll add this one and select Open. Our background image now change. Also you can change background image opacity. I'll make it 80% and also you can change scale. I'll make it on and also you can rotate your background image if you want. I rotate it 45 and see this. I'll rotate this image 0 degree and similarly select OK and close and see this. Our background image now change. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.